Just finishing up just to make sure that I got the edges well, and I think that's about the right consistency. Let me let that dry. We'll come back and iron the other piece on. Okay, good news, my heat lock is dry to the touch. Okay, I'm off just a bit on my cut, but no big deal. I can fill that in with some filler. I'm going to just try to set this here in the middle and then iron toward the edges. I'm off on this edge just a bit and that, so cabinet's crooked or my measurements are crooked. Just finished ironing on this piece. I'm just a little off right here. You can see, no big deal. I can fill that in with some filler and the toner lacquer will hide that. Same deal right here on this. I'll do some sanding and then move on to the two end pieces. I just used some Timbermate wood filler, mahogany based. And once that dries, I'll go back and give it a light sand. There's the top on. Again, still need to do these end pieces or side pieces. Just got finished placing all the veneer on, except for maybe just a few touch-up areas underneath the dial scale excursion. You can see this place. I don't think it's going to show. So we'll see. I'll patch that up as necessary. I still need to do my cutouts here. Drill those 2 holes for my control stems for the receiver. But let me just pop this thing back around, show you guys the cabinet. I think it turned out pretty well. Still just a little bit of fill work to do and some touch up in a few areas. Little glue needed in this area. I'll seal the finish after doing my sanding and prep. And then I'm going to use a grain filler and fill the grain. And of course, use toner lacquers. There's the rear section. It'll definitely be more presentable than the condition I found it in. So more updates to follow as time allows. Thanks for watching.